call the hotel to make my reservation for my final destination. Me a boy not change my direction, cause the girl them just fly. Every sound man, every radio station, black girl, white girl, every nation. Me and the girl them in a corporation, in a dimension in the sky.
Yo, I don't know why I have such bad luck when it comes to this, but like I feel like crying right now. You guys don't even understand. This has been like the most bittersweet, confusing morning ever. Every single time we're supposed to fucking leave the country, something freaking happens. Anytime me and Marlon travel together, something happens. So we bought 2 tickets. We got a deal on the tickets. We come up to the counter now. My ticket goes through, Marlon's doesn't. So Marlon has to go home, and I'm going to Kingston.
Prior to boarding Air Canada route,
Marlon can't come until tomorrow, and we're supposed to be going to a wedding tomorrow.
We would like to inform you that we will be boarding this flight by zone number. Your zone number is indicated on your
So
boarding
fucking
pass.
annoyed.
If a zone is not printed on your
And now he
boarding
has to go
pass,
to Montego Bay, so we have to leave from Mandeville, drive all the way to Montego Bay.
Please have your for choosing Air Canada route.
So annoyed. But I'll tune in back with you guys a little later. So that's how you guys found out I'm going to Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica without my husband. This is so stupid. Yes. Welcome to Jamaica. Oh my god, that's so funny. Anyways, so hi guys. Say hi to my friend. This is my little cousin-in-law. Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
So yeah, I haven't really been vlogging or doing anything like that because it's just been such a messed up time. So alright, so we originally were supposed to come to Jamaica the 8th of September. They wanted to come for his birthday, and his uncle was getting married the 9th, right? So I had found a link on tickets, and it was kind of like a bandulu kind of thing, almost in a sense, not really, because it was legit. So we did it that way. So when I got all the confirmation information and stuff like that, you know, obviously you go on and you check and you make sure everything is going right or whatever the case may be. That's exactly what I did. Then the morning of, we get to the airport and there's an issue. Marlon can't come. So Marlon didn't get to go on the flight. I ended up going on the flight. And what happened was I ended up buying him a one-way to come down, but there was no one-ways for him to come on the same flight or for a flight that day. So he had to come. So I had to book the flight for Saturday, the 9th. So we had all these plans to go to the wedding, check out all of our wedding stuff, like the venue, talk to cake people, the caterers, in person, so that we know exactly what's happening. When we go back up, we just know, like, all right, this is what has to be done, right? So that didn't happen, and now everyone's trying to get him on the flight. My trip might even be cut short, because if he doesn't come today and he makes my money go down the drain, I'm booking the ticket and I'm going home. And I'm dead ass, like, dead ass. Like, I'll just go to my dad's, drop off the stuff that I brought for them, and I'll go home. it's not my fault, and it could have happened to either one of us. It could have been me, or it could have been both. And it's like, what would have happened at that point? Like, we could have been mad, but we'd have to figure out a situation. I don't like when people are going through stuff and they let it consume them. Like, how long are you gonna be in a depressed state or in an angry state? Don't you want to try to fix the problem and find a solution for it? Like, that's just who I am. I don't feel like I should be mad at something for so long, something that I can't change. You know what I mean? Like, it's like you figure it out. So that's what's up for now. I just got my chip. I just am able to go back onto social media. So now everyone knows that I'm in Jamaica, because I didn't have a chip yesterday, so I couldn't post or nothing like that. So, and I didn't want to, I just felt like this was supposed to be like a surprise. So that's why you guys didn't see, but obviously that's why I did my nails and stuff like that. So yeah, surprise. I'm in Jamaica without Mar. It's so stupid, but yeah. So today is Uncle Owen's wedding. That is at 2 o'clock, so we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go to Montego Bay later, because yeah, if he doesn't come, or if he comes, I'm going to Montego Bay. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later. You wanna say bye? Tell them your name.
Yeah.
Whoa! And how old are you?
Yeah.
I'm just at grade 3 and whatever. And yeah, see the next one here. Come say hi to my friends. Come here. I gave these kids a bag of sweetie this morning, and I told them, do not finish it. I should have just gave them one, because every second they have new candy in their mouth. Like, I don't understand. Come and say hi, or else I'm not giving you back, or I'm taking back all the candy I gave you. Come. And then I have a new boyfriend. His name is Pam Pam. You guys would have seen Pam Pam from the other videos. So cute. What you know? What you know? He's so annoying. Come say hi now. All right, come out. Don't come in here. Don't come in my room. Come out. Hi, you guys. This is Papa. He's so cute. Oh my God, he's so sweet. Oh my gosh. When you guys seen him last time, he was a little baby. Say hi to my friends. Say hi. Say hi, friends. He's so cute. Pam Pam, how old are you? Hmm? What do you mean, How old are you?
2.
2? Wow, you're a big boy. Yeah? You're a big boy? Good. Big boy, and he's so cute. He's so sweet. So yeah, that's the update for now. So I'm sorry if the vlogs didn't start off great. Hopefully today is a better day. And then yeah, the ride to Montego Bay should be interesting. And then you guys will get to see Daddy, and I'll get to see Daddy, and you'll see Angie. You'll see I don't know about Tijil, because apparently he's gone back to go live with his mother and move out to my father also without telling my daddy anything. And Tijil is a little boy, and me for have manners and respect. So hopefully he's done this so I can talk to him. And that's about it, because there's nobody else for you guys to see, okay? So yeah, until next time, bye. Look at the fool, look at him. Come say hi to them. Hold on time. Jump your hole in. Terry's, come say hi now. Ew, what are you eating? Ew, take it off of me. Take it off. Take it off. Come say hi now. No, turn it the other way. Yeah. Say hi, man. Just say hi.
No.
Why? Don't you love me? You don't love me? I lie. Say hi.
No.
Please.
No.
Just say hi. My name is Tyrese.
No.
Move your hand for your mom. Come say hi to the people then.
No.
Say hi. Come say hi. Me not let you go. So guys, we're gonna stay here until Tiny decides to say hi. He cries when he goes to school. He cries for his mom. He's in grade 1. But he's so ugly. Say hi now. You want more sweetie?
Yeah.
Say hi.
No.
If you want more sweetie, you have to say hi.
No.
Come on now. Look, you're answering every other question. Just say hi now. Look, Javier, say hi already. Pom Pom, say hi already. Just say hi now. You shy? Yes?
Yes.
Why you shy?
Come on, tell people hi.
Cause what?
No, tell people hi.
Why? Why? But you don't see them, so why you shy?
Uncle, my daddy.
What?
My daddy.
What about him?
Uncle, he may love tell hi.
I lie.
Yeah.
So when you see me, you said hi?
No.
So what did you say?
No.
Yes, you said hi.
Say hi.
Don't do that.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi.
Say hi now.
No.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, let me go first.
No.
Yeah.
Say hi first.
No.
Hi, Papa.
No.
See?
No.
Go say
I'm a sweet, sweet baby. Oh, God. Aw, one big happy family. Say hi. Wait, ugly like. Move. Don't come back.
Say hi. Hi.
My little pom-pom. He's so cute and sweet. Oh, God. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get ready for the wedding. Starts at 2. I think we're leaving here at like 1:30-ish. You guys are coming to the wedding?
Huh?
You guys are coming to the wedding or no? I don't think you guys are coming.
Mama.
Yeah.
No. Mommy, I'll make one call.
Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, I gotta do that and then pack because I'm leaving. So here.
Why?
Come going home.
Why?
What do you mean why? Come I have to go home.
You're not seeing nobody but your phone. Only you.
Exactly. So why can't you say hi?
Where come last night and I go to it?
Because Marlon was supposed to come, but he didn't come, so I'm gonna go. You don't want me to leave? Why? Where? You don't want me to go?
No.
Why? Okay, I'll think about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get ready, okay? Okay, bye. Say bye, Pom Pom. He's so sweet.
Bye. Put the bell on. Say bye.
Say bye, supporters.